The Vivo Y200t is now official in the Chinese market, with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200t features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y200t sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.05 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 8mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y200t has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Green and Mountain Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y200t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.